Jaipur, the Pink City. It is known as the Pink City due to the dominant color scheme of its buildings. The city of Jaipur was founded by King of Amir Maharaja Sawai Jai Singh II on November 18 in the year 1727. It is the capital and the largest city of the Indian state of Rajasthan. Jaipur is also famous for the Jaipur Literature Festival. It is the world's largest free literature festival.
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आई होप यू ऑल आर गुड।
हेलो,
मैं हूँ प्रणति और आप देख रहे हो मेरे चैनल प्रणति ट्रैवल डायरी। हम लोग बहुत दिन के बाद घर से निकले हैं जयपुर के लिए। हम लोग कुछ दिन के लिए जयपुर घूमने जा रहे हैं।
तो चलिए अभी हमारे साथ रहिए, सब एक साथ जयपुर घूमते हैं। हम लोग डायरेक्ट जयपुर नहीं जा रहे हैं, दुर्गापुरा स्टेशन में हम लोग उतरेंगे। दुर्गापुरा में एक धर्मशाला में हम लोग रात को रुकेंगे और नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग हम चलेंगे जयपुर। बट देयर इज़ नो नीड टू गेट डाउन एट दुर्गापुरा स्टेशन, यू कैन डायरेक्टली गो टू द जयपुर स्टेशन। हम पहुंच गए धर्मशाला।
हेलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग। कल रात को हम लोग पहुँचे हैं दुर्गापुरा से एक धर्मशाला में। ये दुर्गापुरा स्टेशन से अराउंड 28 किलोमीटर्स दूरी पे ही है। तो चलिए आज हम लोग जयपुर घूमते हैं। हम लोग अभी आमिर फोर्ट में पहुंचे हैं। आमिर फोर्ट वाज ओरिजिनली बिल्ड बाय मीनास बट इट वाज रूल्ड बाय राजा मान सिंह।
इधर आपको आना है तो आपका रिजर्व्ड कार नीचे पार्किंग में पार्क करना पड़ेगा। उसके बाद जीप और एलिफेंट राइड लेके आपको आना है आमिर फोर्ट। आमिर फोर्ट is located 11 km from the city of Jaipur. It is located high up on the Aravalli range of hills. This is called Chilka Tila. This fort was built of red sandstone and marble. It is a perfect blend of the outlooks of Rajput and Mughal architecture. There are 4 divisions of the Amir fort and each division is known as courtyard. Each section has its own gate. This is the first courtyard. It is called Jalebi Chowk or Jaleb Chowk. This is the place where soldiers used to assemble and celebrate their victory. From here you can purchase tickets for further viewing of the fort. Entry fee here is 50 rupees per person. After climbing the stairway, this courtyard would lead you to the second courtyard. सेकेंड कोर्टयार्ड में है
दीवाने खास और दीवाने आम
और इट इज़ कॉल्ड हॉल ऑफ पब्लिक ऑडियंस। This gate is called Ganesh Pole. Ganesh Pole is the entrance gate to the third courtyard. Ganesh Pole is architecturally significant as it represents the fantastic fusion of Mughal and Rajput style of architecture. As you passes through the Ganesh Pole, you will see a beautiful Mughal style garden separating two buildings. One is Shish Mahal and other is Shuk Niwas. Suk Niwas is also known as Suk Mahal, where a cool climate is artificially created by winds that blow over a water cascade within the palace. Shish Mahal is the most amazing part of the Amir fort. It is also known as Mirror Palace. The walls and ceilings of the hall is covered with beautiful paintings and flowers, which was made of pure glasses and precious stones. This is fourth courtyard.
Raja Mansingh Palace. This palace was residence of royal families and their attendants.
The fort overlooks Mauta Lake, which is the major source of water for the Amir fort. At the backside of the Amir fort, there was the royal kitchen, and there is also Mina Bazaar from where you can buy paintings, clothes, and other small items. अभी हम जाएंगे नाहरगढ़ फोर्ट। नाहरगढ़ फोर्ट stands on the edge of the Aravalli hills, overlooking the city of Jaipur.
हम लोग अभी पहुँचे नाहरगढ़ फोर्ट। नाहरगढ़ फोर्ट was built in 1734 by Raja Jai Singh II.
The fort was initially named Sudashangarh but was later renamed as Nahargarh. According to the local legends, the construction of the fort was obstructed by the spirit of a Rathore prince named Nahar Singh Bhomia. To specify the spirit, a temple was built in his memory within these premises and the fort was renamed to honor him. नाहरगढ़ फोर्ट में इंटर करने के बाद ही आपको दिखेगा शीश महल एंड वक्स म्यूजियम. Another attraction in the fort is the Madhavendra Bhavan, built by Swai Madho Singh. This is a two-storied building which was suites for the king and his 9 queens. It is divided into 9 similar apartments and each of the apartment has a lobby, bedroom, toilets, kitchen and store.
Fort is a great place to enjoy mesmerizing sunset view over the city of Jaipur. अगर आपको फोटो खींचना अच्छा लगता है तो you will find a lot of opportunities to click the photo of Sunbath city of Jaipur.
There is a water tank in this premises and behind this water tank there is a step well. This medieval step well was built for collecting and conserving rainwater. Currently there are 2 restaurants operating within Nahargarh Fort complex, Once Upon a Time and Padao. अभी रिटर्न जाने का टाइम है. इफ़ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. बाय बाय.